This is the oval. Dito kayo mag-ROTC. Oh, mag-hi kayo. Hi. Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon. Ay, pa-picture kayo. O, sige, garod. Yung kasi mabalik ang picture dito. Ma'am, mag-picture. O, sige, picture ka. Dito na lang sa likod, garod.
Yung phone ko.
Oo, sige, post ko siya. Ibang heart mo na. Thank you so much. I'm fine. Kamusta ba mo?
Chismis friend! Piano!
Magpupusa ko ng announcement. Okay, continue to subscribe my YouTube channel, continue to watch, and even follow my page. Kasi yung kinikita nun, na itutulong ko dun sa mga bata rin na katulad ko na hindi afford mag-aral. Diba? Hoping pagdating ng araw pag kayo nag-college, you come and be part of Seekers of Colleges. That's the school na pinagtatrabahuan ko ulit. Just like your teacher, we were part also of the National High School. Diba? Hoping that someday one of you here will become the city mayor. Or if not, one of you here will become a city councilor or the governor of the province of La Union. You will never know. Diba? Tignan nyo si Duterte, sino mag-aakala na siya'y magiging presidente? Katulad ko, sino mag-aakala na dati isa lang akong ordinaryong kabataan pero naging SK, naging barangay official na ilang taon at naging student leader, hindi lang sa regional kundi national. Diba? Who would have known that I am a product of La Union National High School. Malay-lays kang nalitoy, magkakitiran kami, nagbara, nagitikot at itimang kayo dito, ito Akasha. But look at me now, look at your teacher now. We were very productive. We are one of the living testimony na kahit La Union National High School graduate ka, may pupuntahan ka at makakamukuli ang pugatod ng tagumpay. And remember, dito sa syudad ng San Fernando at sa probinsya ng La Union, kasi ito lang yung school noon, may mga kaklase kami taga-Alingay, taga-Agoho, lahat na ng mga naging kaklase namin, naging batch namin. Look at Donna Riviera Crispino, a science stream of La Union High now, she's the mayor of Caba. Who would have known, yung mga magagaling na abogado at inhinyero are already abroad. Mayroon na rin tayong scientists at astronaut na nasa Amerika nakabase na product ng La Union High. Most of the councilors and part of the political officials ng syudad at ng gobyerno ng La Union, product ng La Union High. Kaya hindi nyo masasabi kung kailan din yung right time sa inyo. Diba? Kaya mag-aral kayo mabuti kahit mahirap ang buhay. Grade 7 pa lang kayo, I know marami pa kayong pagdadaanan. I know you can make it. Poverty caused me to be where I am right now. Yung kahirapan ng buhay namin ang nagdala kung nasaan kami ngayon. Kaya mag-aral kayo mabuti kahit kulang kayo sa baon, kulang kayo sa mga gamit pang school. Mag-aral lang. May nandiyan si teachers sa tutulong. Mauunawaan kayo ni teachers kasi pinagdaanan din namin yan. At least at the end of the day, you were able to make it. You do your part. Your parents, I know, are doing their part para mapag-aral kayo. Be thankful to your parents, ha? Laging mag-I love you at mag-thank you sa parents. Minsan pinapagalitan tayo sa katigasan din lang ng ulo natin, pero magkakalimutan mag-thank you at mag-I love you sa kanila. And lastly, above all, laging magdasal. You should put God in the center of your life so that everything will fall into the right place. Yan ang pinaka-importante ng magdasal. Ako kahit gaano ko ka-busy, kahit wala na akong oras matulog, basta pag Sunday, meron akong kahit na dalawin si simbahan. O if not, bago matulog, pagkagising, magdasal, mag-thank you, kasi binuhay na tayo. Yung oras na natutulog ka, pag di ka na niya ginising, wala na tayo para i-continue pa yung mga dreams mo. Kaya dapat lagi tayo nag-thank you. walang dito, walang yung magandang small cellphone kung walang yung parents natin. Kaya minsan, kung nagagalit yung parents natin, still, you say sorry if you commit mistakes. But most of the time, you say, I love you. Nana, ayatul katata, nagyaman na. By simply saying that, it's a manifestation that you really love them. By giving them high grades, pag matatas yung grades nyo, it's a manifestation that you love them. Okay? And lastly, siyempre laging mag-thank you at mag-I love you kay teacher kasi sa kanya nakasalalay ang kinabukasan ninyo. Itong profesyon na pinasok namin ang pinakamahirap na profesyon kasi kami ang nagpo-produce ng magagaling na architect, lawyers, doctors at kung ano-anong profesyon. Ang teacher ang nagbibigay ng kalinangan at nagbibigay ng tamang edukasyon para sa lahat ng mga mag-aaral na gustong makapagtapos sa kanilang mga field of endeavor. To all of you, good afternoon. My fellow La Union High, La Union Hayan. I hope that after 10 years, you will be like us. 20 years from now, nakikita ko na kayo dyan, nakapastil sa tarpaulin, nasa lead wall, congrats, at kayo na yung pinaka-the best of the best. The cream of the crop of this institution. Okay? Tignan nyo si Sir Alvin Tadi, pakilala nyo. Kaklase ko lang yun ng first year to fourth year dito. Diba? Dami namin mga teachers na dito. O, diba? Nagbabakot kami. Naglalakay kami. But still, we're still readily available. Diba? Giving you a lot of insights and knowledge pertaining sa inyong pag-aaral. Correct? Depende nyo, nagbago ninyo. Diba? You're very lucky to have mom. Diba? Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. I love you.